Here behind me is something very special. We are at a secret location where my friend from Project Workshop is building something very special. Special cars. Something like this. So let's go inside and see what Neno is doing. We are here at the top secret garage called Project Workshop with my friend Neno. He's fixing up this old Mercedes-Benz from 1962. 62. 1962. Pa 1962. Pa šta sam trebao reći? Pa dobro znam, ono. So he's going to do the complete restoration of this car. So he needs to take out the rust and put some epoxy, grind down the window sills so he can seal better. He started fixing the window edges so he can put the new window inside. It has beautiful white wall wheels, but the tires are pretty old and probably need to go to the garbage. Maybe. It has some... It's from Germany. It's Nemačka, huh? Born in Germany. We need mamas to subscribe to this channel. He needs to paint the car. It's going to go in a very interesting color. But there is a lot to do here. He started grinding here. As you can see, the difference. So he has to grind the whole car, then put some epoxy on it, paint the car, and it's going to look beautiful. You can follow my friend Neno at his Instagram called Project Workshop. Follow the progress of the car there and subscribe and javite mami da me nazove. Subscribe and follow the process of fixing up this car, and it's going to be amazing. Amazing!